Animals that shouldn't exist, but somehow do. The mantis shrimp punches with the speed of a bullet. It could shatter your bones, but it's too busy starting underwater fight clubs. The blobfish looks like your uncle after a 3-day bender, and it's still alive at 4,000 feet deep. Tardigrades survive space vacuums, radiation, and your ex's toxic texts. The immortal jellyfish, it reverses aging, take notes, billionaires. The platypus lays eggs, sweats milk, and detects electricity, like a furry superhero on crack. The eye, it's a lemur with a skeleton finger that taps trees to find grubs, and your nightmares. Comment which creature freaks you out most. We'll DM the winner a free therapy coupon. Smash subscribe before evolution cooks up something worse.